Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually edit your navigation bar using WordPress or in the WordPress itself. So first of all, please make sure that you have your WordPress opened. If you don't have any account in WordPress, if you don't have a WordPress website already, make sure to watch our recent video about how to create your WordPress video in 2 minutes. WordPress account, WordPress website, I mean, in 2 minutes. And right after that, come back to this video and follow me step by step. And for those who has their account already, make sure to open it and go to your dashboard. So now let's go ahead and open our website just by clicking on here and something like that. So that's how our website looks like. Something really simple. What you have to do is click on customize from here, and this whole page will be open for you. You have all these informations in here. You will all this like bunch of informations will be opened for you. You have here site identity, colors, theme options, cover template, background image, menus, widgets, homepage settings, and additional CSS. Now we will go ahead and open the navigation bar, which will be our menu. We will have 3 options, which will be the primary again, and social links menu. We will go ahead and open the first one, which will be the primary one, which is currently set to desktop expanded menu. And from here you can edit it as you like. For example, you wanted to add a new page, you can click on add items. Here you can already add a new one, or you can just type your name, for example, tutorial, and just like that it will be added here. You can reorder it by removing them, just like so. You can make like second menu under a menu, for example, something like tutorial 1, something like that, and add it in here. So what will be looking like is something like so. Tutorials, tutorial 1. And yeah guys, that's how you can actually edit your navigation bar in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.